Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Lunar Classic update today. And yesterday on the private, which closes in the next 6 days right now. If you want to join and be a part of it, do message me. So I did actually see something that was really good. Okay, so I saw that Lunar Classic has been heavily bought. Okay, when the market was down, I know a lot of people are stressed out right now, but we still have to see things on the other side. Okay, maybe the grass is green on the other side after all. So, and the thing is that the statistics are crazy. $206 million in futures within 24 hours. So basically, in 24 hours, there was money that was being put into Luna Classic. So ask yourself, why is $206 million being traded? Why is $96 million being traded within 24 hours? That's a lot of money, man. $96 million. Do you know how much $96 million is? Which means that big people stepped in at this current price that you have right now. And that means one thing only, that they're going to pump it sooner or later. So here's the proof of all this thing. You can see that this was pretty much on the Binance. This was on Binance as well. And you can see that there's, again, 206 million, 93 million. You have 62 million in another exchange, 36 million, 22 million, 17, 18, 11, 7. So normally, Luna Classic, as far as I was looking, how much Luna Classic was being invested, Luna Classic had maximum 6 to 16 million for the past 2 to 3 months, maximum. This is for the first time it has actually gone up to 93 million and even like this in a while, of course. And you can see that the volume change was huge yesterday. 1783% volume change. All of a sudden that much volume comes in, it means one thing, that people were buying Luna Classic for a cheap price here at 7634. Can it actually just move a little bit lower before going up? That's another thing that can be considered. But this here, my friend, this we may have the biggest hint ever that this could be your bottom right over there. And of course, this is also the biggest support level after you have seen the one on the daily, as I showed you previously, where you had this support and a move up, a support and a move up. Maybe perhaps this is another big support and another time to move to the upside. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.